let's show you how to sharpen a knife or a pair of scissors with the Ozito Multi Function Sharpener. We'll notice this knife's got a bit of curve in it and we'll need to follow that on the wheel. Before you turn your Multi Function Sharpener on, it's a good idea to get your body in a good comfortable position near the machine. Then before you turn it on, just check where you're going to be swiping the blades and have a few practice runs, because that will help you understand how much pressure you need to put on these bevels when you're swiping through, and also what sort of action you need to do before you turn it on. As you can see, there's a bit of a curve there, so I need to follow that. Just like that. All right, I think I'm right to go, so let's turn it on. Just when you're sharpening, make sure you do the same number of swipes on this side as you do this side, and that should give you a nice, even, sharp edge along there. I like this test because it shows me how sharp the knife is. That one's good to go. Now let's show you how to sharpen a pair of scissors. Okay, it's simple as just opening the scissors fully, realizing you've got a rest here, and you just want to sit the scissors on the rest. Have a practice before you turn it on. Get the feel of how that's going to sharpen, because you're going to drag it along the edge of the stone, just like that. Okay, I feel like I've got the motion. Flick it on, slide it in till we touch the wheel, flip it over, do the other side, and that's pretty much all it takes. Now we've got our knife and our scissors sharpened, and in the next video we're going to show you how to sharpen a drill bit.